Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Atomic Wallet. So first thing you need to do is open up your Atomic Wallet app and then log in your account. After this, simply click on this buy crypto option and from here select the currency which you want to use in purchase. So simply select your local currency. And once you do that, simply select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. So I'm going to select Bitcoin. And then simply enter the amount, how much you want to pay for this cryptocurrency, and then simply click on this I accept terms of service and then click on this continue button. After you do that, it will ask you for your payment details, so simply enter your payment details and then complete the transaction. Once you do that, this Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency you purchase will appear on your wallet section. So that's how you can buy or deposit money in Atomic Wallet. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.